Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'll show you how to get unbanned on TikTok. Let's get started because it's quick and simple. You may be puzzled because you are constantly getting warnings saying that you are unable to post anything, that your account has been suspended, and so on. They may have done so because they dislike abnormal behaviors in general. First, press on the profile icon on the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the top. Right. And then press Settings and Privacy, and under Support, you should hit Report a Problem, and then we'll find a very clever way to report this issue. So once you're in here, you can press Account and Profile, then Manage Account, and then at the very bottom, you can tap on Hacked Accounts, which says if you notice any suspicious behavior, your account might have been hacked. You can go through this even if your account isn't hacked. Simply if you were banned because you were liking, commenting, or doing something sketchy, you can go through here and just hit No and tap on Need More Help, and then go in here and just say, I think my account was hacked. It followed so many of these strange accounts. I'm trying to get my account back and just type out the entire fake scenario here and then hit this. Submit your report. If you submit other types of reports, you may never receive a response, but TikTok responds quickly to any type of hacked account report. This will actually convince them that you didn't intend to like any of those other accounts, and also that your password was stolen by hackers. Then you'll have to go through and see how they react to each case individually. But this is a fantastic strategy to get someone from TikTok to look into it and potentially unban you, since you'll need an actual human from TikTok to push the unbanned button for you to be unbanned. There is no other way to get unbanned. You must have someone there to unban you. Thus, this is a great move to garner their attention in order to get unbanned. I hope this information is useful. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.